everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've created this glitter nail art look, and for that you're going to need one paper, one brush, and a glitter.
You never wait for me.
Paint your nails with a color that matches the glitter. Now apply the glitter directly on your nail and dust your nail to get rid of the extra glitter. Now using the brush, just dust off the glitter that's on your cuticle. Now press on your nail very lightly with your finger. Repeat the same process for all of the nails.
After all that I had you gone. I'm after all that after all that I had you gone. I'm after all that after all that I had you gone. I'm after all that
Now gather all of the glitter into the center and just bend the paper to transfer all of the glitter back into its bottle. Now dust off your nails one last time so that all the extra glitter comes off, and then apply the top coat to seal the glitter.
I could wait 1,000 days.
This is the final look.
You'd never wait for me.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.